I mean, honestly, well, for me it starts that way, and then I'm like, and then I'm like drooling on my shit.
And I eat the way it's like. So no.
I don't think anyone looks cute when they eat, though, to be fair. I've never seen someone eat cute.
When I'm on dates, I eat really cute.
You're like,
Yeah,
like little tiny pieces.
Or many when like
She's like, I'm starving. It like cuts off the little bit.
first 5 dates, only first 5. After that, I'm like,
it's too late. You're locked out. I've already sealed the deal.
Like right away.
I'm like, just so you know, this is what you're gonna get. So like, you already know. Like, I'm not making switching. I'm gonna just let you know.
let's have it from
Okay.
this part. You the first, I second, you sort of.
Okay. How do I feel with this?
Let's just have it with no cuts. So let's just have it. Like when she started, just
Bitch,
go for
I'm
it.
scared. 'Cause that means we have to think fast. Okay, ready?
Well, we can.
Right.
I mean, I was just like to see.
We can
show
keep-
serial.
Yeah.
I would like to show
It'll be
how
like
he
20 minutes long.
Then the first half is not even us doing the fucking video. It's just us like fucking talking. Anyway. Okay, ready?
Really tough.
Should we say?
I mean, when I was watching, I realized that they tell baguette 20 times, so I realized.
Yeah, that's
it's,
true.
it's come for me after 4 times. I realized it. So like I think they need some time, but they smart people. They
I
don't
hope so.
understand. So like, why you tell them for 20 times?
Because like, why do they just really love shaking ass? And then look at our page and be like, nut traps. Yeah. Okay. Twerk. That's it. Right. I saw the love in your eyes. Twerk, twerk, twerk. Oh my god!
Whoa.
She's like one take and it just fucking dropped.
Oh my god! Twerk! Twerk!
Oh shit.
No.
I'm curious. That is literally half the men on this fucking internet. No, literally.
Well, this is accurate because you're already crying.
Like,
A single tear.
this is best I can do.
Oh god. This was horny.
Very.
Oh my god!
Can we even post this on Instagram?
Censored.
I guess. She like blurs on her whole face.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you'll be screenshotted for that one for sure. Oh my god, that's literally perfect. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh shit. How do I even...
This is inappropriate.
Why would you choose these emojis? Anyway. Twerk. Twerk.
Why is that like the baby's first word?
It's giving. Yeah, it's giving baby's food. Oh my god! Twerk! Apparently that's a dinosaur.
Wow.
I wasn't expecting that. I didn't know we could jump on the gas.
I didn't know we could
Yeah,
get up.
now that changes everything for me.
Twerk.
It's giving like pick me girls upset.
I hate twerking.
No, she not.
But
She definitely, she loves
secretly,
it.
I love it.
Oh shit, I have that one too. Damn, I got like all the babies.
Some sort.
Wait.
Like a hello. Here you go. I like giving birth.
Twerk. That's as good as I can get.
I think when I will be pregnant, I will be like,
Well, that's how you
It's
got
coming.
pregnant. Oh my god.
Twerk.
You just fucking jiggle.
oh my god, why I have
It's okay.
No, it really does.
Okay, last one.
Twerk. I can't talk about it. Twerk.
Oh my god, trap.
We're actually really fun to that.
Twerk.
I think this was fun.
That's fine.